Hey, welcome to another Botsociety tip. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can present and export your conversations using Botsociety, especially to do like a presentation or to have a preview of your flows. So to do that, I'm going to explore three different functionalities of Botsociety. One is the instant preview. The second is about the PDF, and the third is about the video export. So let's start with the instant preview. So what is the instant preview? Well, basically it's this play button that you can see on the top right navigation bar in your canvas. So whenever you press this play, you're going to see like a preview of your conversations. This is really great because sometimes you're just like presenting your ideas to someone else and you like to hear this person's opinion about like the way that your conversation is going. You can just have this instant preview for your flow. Be mindful that like this instant preview is always going to consider the starting path. Like you need to have a specific path as a starting path, and if you have multiple starting paths, Botsociety is going to ask you which one you would like to start. Another thing that is really cool about the instant preview is that imagine that you have a really big flow, like with multiple paths, and it's a really long conversation, but you just want to have to test a really specific area of your conversation. So you can see this, that every path has a play button on top of it. So you can easily just click on this play button in the top of the path, and Botsociety is going to show you an instant preview about that particular path. And so this is pretty much how the instant preview looks like. Another thing that I would like to talk about on this video is about to download a PDF of your flow. This happens usually like when you're presenting your flow and someone says something like, hey, can you send this to me through my email, like a PDF? I would like to write some comments on it. I have done something like this before. Of course, you can always share the direct link to Botsociety. The person is going to have access to that. But, there are some people that they like to write things, like myself, on things. And you can also create a PDF version of your flow. So to do that, you can just like go to download, just select the edit mode, which is the pencil icon on the top left. You're going to see this download option, and then you can click on this download PDF. So what is going to happen, basically, Botsociety is going to generate a PDF version of your flow, and then you can send this to someone else. So a tip for this is that rearrange things to be on your canvas. So whatever you can see here on your display, it's going to be on this PDF. And once you click on this export button, Botsociety is going to generate the browser's functionality to export and generate the PDF. And basically, you're going to see a preview here. It's always good if you change this to either to portrait or to landscape. I mean, right now, this is not a really long or big flow, but there are some flows that they can be really vertical and some others that can be really horizontal type of flow. So you can just change the layout that suits best for you, and also you can change the paper size for this. Like you can put like A1, A2, A3, or A4, which is the size of the paper. I would suggest you to always go to A4 or A3. And so once you feel this is okay and you like to export this, you can just press save, and then you can just save it to your computer. So let me just show you what it looks like here. So this is the PDF that we exported. You can always zoom in and see the content from your conversations. And so this is pretty much the PDF version of your flow. And you can send this through email for sure. So one last thing though, it's about the video export, which is it's kind of similar to download the video version of your flow. You just go to the download button on the top right of your navigation bar, and then you're going to see an option over there, download video. So you can click on that, and Botsociety is going to ask you if you'd like to select a device that you like to see on this video. Right now I'm just using the phone, but if I have like a desktop here, it would be like a desktop option there. So I can just click on this start video download, and Botsociety is going to generate a video version of your flow. So if you're curious about the status of your request, you can just go to download again, and you're going to see these past download options there. So here you can see that the video that I requested is completed. I can download either from the email that I get from Botsociety, but I can just go here and click on download, and then I'm going to be able to see a video format of my flow. So just to show you what looks like, so this is the video preview of this flow, and I can use this to add in a presentation. So for example, if I'm going to make a presentation about a coffee bot that I want to have developed for like a brand, I can just get this file and add there to the presentation, and it's going to look something like this. But you know, there are some things that we can work on this, especially this edges here, as you can see, right? And the generic bot and the picture as well. Before we finish this video, let me show you how you can fix this and looks better for like a presentation that you're going to do. And then if I go back here, I can just go to my settings, and here I can change some information. Like I can say this is going to be the coffee bot. I can add a picture for this bot, like generic bot. And of course, I can add a picture for myself as well. So I'm going to say that I am Kyle. But I think in the flow it's going to be with Dylan's. Let me add my picture here. And then there is this export background. Here I can just click it, and then I can just change to the hexadecimal. Like just click here, and then I type like 73 FDEA. So this is the background that I'm looking for. And yeah, Botsociety, as I said, is going to autosave this for you. And then if I download this again, start video download, and wait a little bit. I'm going to speed up this so you can just see the final result. So the download is ready. I just go there and download, pass download, and here I can click and download. So Botsociety is download a video. And here, just to show you, I have this new video with the green background on it, and the name and the logo as well. So I can just go back to my keynote presentation, add the video there, and then change the order of the video, saying after transition. And once I press play, you're going to see presentation like this. And yeah, so I hope you're enjoying this video, this Botsociety tip, and I hope I can see you in another one. Bye bye.